I'm Jory, and this is the HL 850 from Festool. I'm just going to go over a quick overview of its different features. Some of my favorite are the different heads you can use or different textures. Then I'll also go through some of the basic material removal features of this planer. You have the basic, the one you'd use for a typical planing, just the SD, straight blade. Then we get into the RW, the RF, and the RG. The RW is just a nice swoop, good for getting that hand-hewn look in a beam, as well as these a little bit more detailed, little smaller swoops. I'll just go over them real quick, show you how to interchange them and different ways you can use them in an application. This is a guide just to keep it straight. I'm going to go ahead and put a rabbit in this 4x8. You can really go as deep as you want, keep on moving it down. It kind of finds its way in there. Here's a chair I've been working on. I use the HL to taper the legs. It really came in handy just because how easy it is to change the depth while you go up and take off that material. This is the roughed out leg. Let's just go ahead and see how that planer works. I'm going to go ahead and change out the head on the HL. As in all the Festools, it's got the little quick fix right there. Find its happy spot there. With all the heads comes the depth limiter. You don't want to forget to put this on. What this does is it stops that base from going too far down when the blade's gonna hit that. So you just tuck this guy in the little groove right there and screw it in. That way this thing only goes so far. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the RW head looks like. Once again, it's just for giving a beam or something that hand-hewn look. So a good little trick I learned after doing something like this, just to really make it look a little less contrived, is to take a wire wheel and to bring up that grain. It takes away all the soft grain and just really gives it that old rustic look a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and change out to the RG. You can see it's a little bit more detailed.